Swapping out your factory taillights for an aggressive set of LED taillights is practically a rite of passage for your average F-150 owner, and these Xtune LED taillights with smoked lenses and black housings will get your awesome F-150 build to a whole new look without breaking your bank. This easy installation starts by removing both screws that hold in the factory taillight. Once removed, the stock taillight can be pulled outward and removed from the body. Twist to remove both brake light bulb sockets and the reverse bulb socket. The extra wires you see us cutting were already installed aftermarket, and you will not have them on your truck. Clean the inside of the taillight housing in order to mount the provided LED resistors for the new lights. They come with double-sided tape, so the area must be clean where they adhere to. Remove the resistors from the taillights and peel the backing off the tape. Stick the resistors to the truck inside the bed. Now to install the new taillight, pull the brake light bulbs from the sockets and the LED harness will clip into the factory connectors. The reverse bulb will twist into the new taillight with the stock halogen bulb. You can also reconnect the resistor boxes to the taillight. Line up the tabs and push the taillight back into the bed. Replace both screws to finish installing the lights. The blacked out housings and smoked lenses give your F-150 an entirely fresh new look that will be sure to turn some heads. Check out all of Xtune's taillight options at stage3motorsports.com.